Hi guys, and welcome back to another long-awaited episode of Love for Cause. I know it's been a while, guys, but as you know, things haven't been looking great in our country. But it's time to get back to shooting. So today I'm just gonna do something small. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do some coilover adjustments on my car today. I'll show you guys a picture right now of what the car looks like. As you can see right now, the car looks a bit like a chisel nose Toyota straight ecstasy. That's not the one we look. That's not the look we're looking for at the moment. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna lower the back of the Golf a little bit, take out the adjusters on the coilover, and see what it looks like. So I do apologize for the long-awaited next episode, guys, but stay tuned. We're gonna get down into it. So if you look at the front, you can see the front is quite considerably or quite low. But having a look at the back, you can see it is quite a bit high, right? But if you have a look on the other side, as you can see, the height of the car, it's nice. That's how I actually want to have it, but just a smidge lower on the side. The reason for the difference in height on the car right now is because the driveway is at an angle, so the car is sitting uneven right now. That's why the one side looks lower than the other side. But what I want to do is get the back as neatly as low as I did with the front. The adjusters are almost at its lowest, not completely at its lowest. But once I remove the adjuster for the back spring, because the back springs adjuster is totally down and the car is still high on the back, so I need to take out the adjuster and see where it sits, and then if it's lower than the back, I'd probably have to adjust accordingly. But I'm sure it should come out alright once I remove the adjuster for the back spring, and it should sort out the equal height of the car. So that's what we're basically going to be doing in this video. Good look, you can see here the rear spring, and because the car size, because we need to actually try and remove this adjuster here, and once we remove this adjuster, we should have a little bit of more drop on the rear of the car. So let's work on this, trying to get this section loose here. Once we get the section loose, the whole spring just comes out, and once the spring comes out, we can just take out the adjuster and put it in just like that again. But I'll show you guys when we get it out. Alright guys, so once you get your wheel off, you want to get yourself a 18 spanner or a 18 socket and loosen up this. This will then loosen up, or once you get this bolt out here, it will then free up this independent suspension arm here. And once you get this arm out, just make sure you put a jack under this section over here, so that once you loosen this bolt, it doesn't shoot out, because the spring is compressed and it will basically shoot out if you do not put a jack or stand under this arm. So just watch out for that once you take out this 18 bolt over here. So now that we've got the spring out, all that we have to do now is we need to remove this little cup from the adjuster. So once we screw it out, all we need to do is take this little section, slip it back into the spring, and then fit it back into the car. But before we put this in, I'm just going to clean the spring up a bit. And once we clean the spring up, all we need to do is the reverse action of what we did. To take it out, we just put it back in again. So let's just get this cleaned up. So if you guys are wondering what type of coils these are JOM Blueline Coilovers. Yeah, so let's get back to fitting them in. After all that work, I think we've reached the height we've wanted on this cab right now. I think it's quite evened out, even though it might look a bit too low. I think that's the height we were gunning for. So I think we did a pretty good job on lowering the rear of the score. The golf bag in the boot for those days when you feel like just having a bit of a swing, and obviously the best oil liquid moly, nothing less but the best. So overall guys, I think this is the height I will be sticking to. It looks decent, and the car looks pretty sweet, I think. It looks pretty sweet, I think. That is a nice height. Let me just close the boot, we can have a look. I think that is awesome. Well, anyway guys, that's what we set out to do today. So yeah, stay around for the next episode guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the page if you want more content, or leave a little notification in the comment section if you would like me to do anything on the score. I think the next thing that we will be tackling is the PCV valve on the car, because I do have some rough idling happening on it. So stay tuned. The next video should be about the PCV.